it's not very often that I'll use the gutter vac cleaning their windows. I'll just get up on the ladder and usually deal with it with just some hand tools. So in this circumstance in particular, there's no other way to get to the gutters. So you may have noticed that I'm not using a camera at the top of the vac. I did get a camera originally when I bought the vacuum, but what I've found is that working with the vacuum, you get used to, you can feel and hear when you're using the vac when it's sucking something up, and you can tell in the gutter when it's clear. So usually I bob up and down with the spout. And then you can feel when you're at the bottom of the gutter when there's nothing left in, and when I'm finished I might just run the spout up and down, and you can tell if there's anything in there. You can soon tell, so it's not too much of a problem. Sometimes I just grab the ladder and have a quick check to see if it's all clear, but most of the time I can tell, and it's not too much of a problem. So for the power supply, all I use is an extension lead like this one. This is a really good one because it has these waterproof covers over the plug sockets there. Now lots of people now have these outside plug sockets, which are really good to use, but if a customer doesn't have one of these, you might just have to arrange a time when they're in and you can gain access to a plug socket. When you're using the extension lead, you need to fully unravel the whole length of the cable, because heat can build up in the cable and it can even start to melt. So make sure you unravel the whole thing before you start. This is a great spot because I'm not using the ladder. I don't have to worry about the ladder slipping on the decking, so the vac really comes into its own. This gutter has particularly got a lot of moss in it and even some plant life growing. The gutter vac is pulling out some of the plant life in clumps, which we collect on the ground. So windy day, luckily I don't have to risk going up on the ladder. Clear out these gutters I've got the back. Okay, so here we are, going to clear out these gutters using the vac. It's only a bungalow, but this property in particular suffers from a drop of these maple seeds every year. You can see those, so they all end up in the gutter. So the vac here, I've got two nozzles, a wider, rounder spout there and the narrow one. So the narrow one's really good, so I'm not going to suck up too many at once that can cause a blockage, but it does a really nice job, so we'll see how we get on. There we go, so look what we collected.